Malouvis is a company with 45 employees in the heart of the Arve Valley in the French Alps. It is a major player in the screw machining industry for the aerospace, rail and industrial sectors. For more than 40 years, Malouvis has been a leader in the field of fasteners, both standardized and customized. Today, Malouvis is a partner that offers service above all else. The company's machinery includes the latest generation of CNC machining for turning parts from 0.8mm to 42mm in diameter. The company carries out stamping, marking, rolling and assembly operations. Malouvis has mastered the NFE, ISO, NFN, NFL, NFF, DIN and American standards and their various versions. With a cumulative knowledge of standards and their development over half a century, Malouvis has unique knowledge of fasteners, enabling its teams to understand and produce both modern references and references based on old standards. It ensures the quality of its products thanks to high-performance testing facilities to satisfy all its certifications and your requirements. Malouvis is ISO 9001, EN 9100 and AQAP 2110 certified. Malouvis has a very large stock of more than 15,000 items of fasteners to ensure a very high level of responsiveness. To find out more about our organisation, visit our website www.malouvis.com.